guys, and welcome to my channel where I put up simple ideas to help people like you who are teaching kids about the Bible, about Jesus, and Christian values. And today I have a little friend here who's going to help us with this really simple craft. This is Petey. Yes, Petey, my little possum, and he really enjoys craft, don't you? Yes, he really loves doing craft, and this craft is really simple, isn't it? Yes, it's simple. And it's very creative, and I've made it so it's really affordable as well, and you can use it with any Bible story whatsoever. So let's go ahead and let's show them how to do the craft, okay? Okay, Petey, what do we need for this craft? Well, we need the scratch paper, the engraving paper, and there are 5 to a pack, and you know what I do? I make it even smaller so I could get a class of 20 out of one pack. So I cut them up into smaller pieces. Here is an A4 size, and look, there's 5 in a pack and you can get 8, so I can get up to 40 kids looked after just by cutting them into smaller pieces. And then what you need is, they only come with one of these, 1 per pack. So I found these great skewers, and they work really well, and they're not as sharp, and they perfect size for kids' hands. So that worked really well for the etching tool. And then the other thing that you need is you need just scrap paper, because it gets so dirty when the kids are doing this engraving. So I give them each a piece of scrap paper, they put their piece on, and then they begin their engraving of their picture. But one of the most important things you need to have is you need to have samples of what you're going to do that day. Can you tell what Bible story we are doing today? But the kids love doing this type of paper, and I will show you how they went. So Petey, how do you think the kids went? Did they do really well? Yes, they did really well. They did a good job, didn't they? And it's really simple, and you can use it for any Bible story. So if you like this idea, be sure to give us a thumbs up, yes. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe for more ideas, and check out the many playlists that I have there for you. And we'll see you next time. You say goodbye? You wave and bye-bye. It's my little possum puppet. Isn't that cute? He's got a cute little tail, and the kids really love Petey. He looks like a real Australian possum. This is what Australian possums look like. They're really cute. Yes, you're really cute.